Welcome to Easy Peasy Bitcoin Mining. Start earning thousands while you sleep. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of Bitcoin mining and how you can effortlessly generate passive income. If you've ever wondered about cryptocurrencies and how to capitalize on their potential, you've come to the right place. So let's jump right in. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining refers to the process by which new Bitcoin transactions are added to the public ledger known as the blockchain. Miners solve complex mathematical problems and verify the legitimacy of these transactions, ensuring the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. The benefits of Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining offers several advantages, including the potential for earning a passive income. By investing in mining hardware or joining mining pools, you become an integral part of the decentralized Bitcoin network and can earn rewards for your contribution. Securing the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin mining plays a crucial role in securing the Bitcoin network against malicious attacks and maintaining its decentralized nature. By participating in the mining process, you not only earn rewards but also support the integrity and stability of the entire Bitcoin ecosystem. Joining a mining pool. While it is possible to mine Bitcoin individually, joining a mining pool can increase your chances of earning consistent rewards. Mining pools allow miners to combine their computational power and work together to solve complex algorithms, consequently sharing the rewards among all participants. Setting up your mining rig. To get started with Bitcoin mining, you need suitable hardware and software. A mining rig typically consists of specialized equipment designed to solve mathematical algorithms efficiently. Additionally, you'll need to install mining software that connects your rig to the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin wallets. Before you begin mining, it's crucial to set up a Bitcoin wallet to securely store your earned Bitcoins. There are various wallet options available, such as hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. Choose the one that best suits your needs and provides a high level of security. Mining software. Mining software acts as a bridge between your mining rig and the Bitcoin network. It allows you to control and monitor your mining activities, providing real-time information on your hash rate, rewards, and other relevant mining statistics. Popular mining software includes CG Miner, BFG Miner, and Easy Miner. Managing electricity costs. Mining Bitcoin requires a significant amount of computational power, which, in turn, consumes electricity. It's important to consider electricity costs and optimize your mining setup to ensure profitability. Several factors can affect electricity consumption, such as the efficiency of your mining rig and the cost of electricity in your region. Earning passive income. Once your mining rig is up and running, you can start earning passive income in the form of newly minted Bitcoins. As you continually contribute to the blockchain's security and verify transactions, you will receive a share of the mining rewards. Over time, this passive income can accumulate into a substantial amount. Conclusion and outro. Voiceover. Congratulations. You have now learned the basics of Bitcoin mining and how to start earning thousands while you sleep. Remember, Bitcoin mining may require initial investments in hardware and electricity costs, but with the potential for passive income, it can be a lucrative endeavor. Join the world of cryptocurrency mining today and seize the opportunities that Bitcoin has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Happy mining!